Hey guys, it's Christopher Jordan here, and I wanted to do a quick demo slash walkthrough on how to actually use Robo Contact to start generating leads for your business, if it's B2B or basically looking for any niche in your local market. And this is just going to be a quick demonstration on how easy it is to use Robo Contact. So as you can see, this is your site submission at the top. It's just I have 30,000. I should have more, but I'm most likely on the wrong account. But inside of Robo Contact, if you don't even want to watch this video, like if you already know you need to use this, you can just you can actually just sign up for Robo Contact below. There's a link below the video, and there's training on the inside. So, for example, if you'll load, there's logging in, menus. It's probably just taking a second to load because there's tons of videos in here. Yeah, so it's loading menus, 5 steps to setting up your campaign, profile section, and on the side is basically everything, literally everything that you need to run your campaign. Most of this stuff is simple. Once you get your profiles and users set up and connect your Google API key, it's pretty much easy from there. So as you can see, there's two different there's email messages and contact us messages. Most software is out there, like for example, Woodpecker, because I used to use Woodpecker. There was another one I used to use. I can't remember it right now. Uh, Usually, you would have to basically scrape data on Google to basically get a list and then upload it to Woodpecker and then send out emails. But I believe it will only send out emails. With Robo Contact, you can actually send out emails and fill out contact us forms. And honestly, I've gotten a lot of responses just from filling out contact us forms as well as email messages as well, like sending out emails as well. And you also get email tracking and whatnot. But let's actually get straight to the easiest part. It's just creating the campaigns. So as you can see, in my agency niche, I specialize in e-commerce, so I uploaded my own CSV files, which you can do. And also, I know website designers and social media marketing agencies and pretty much any B2B business needs software like this because it allows them to generate leads, unlimited amount of leads on demand at any time. So we're going to go into create campaign, and you're just going to see how easy it is to basically get a campaign and then have your emails be sent out immediately. So usually I would search for, for example, I'll name the campaign website. Yeah, we can do it. So website design, 2 or whatever, and you can search up the city. You can add multiple locations. You can add tons of locations, obviously. So let's just say good location. I'm in Dallas, so I'll just search up Dallas, Texas, and then the keywords. You can add many keywords as well. So if you can literally narrow down on one keyword, or you can expand to a general keyword, and the software is gonna scrape all that data and bring it back to you. So for example, let's just say website design, and then let's just say website design agency. And then here you're gonna have all your messages. This is all the different types of businesses I've tested this with and created emails for. So for example, I'm going to go to marketing agencies, website design, contact us message. I haven't made one for this, so I'm gonna just pick a random one, but I'm not actually going to fill out the contact message form. In profile groups, that's basically where you're going to have multiple profiles. So you can have, as you can see on the side here, you can have multiple users or profiles. So for example, if you have a VA, you can have a VA sign in and use their personal, they can use their own profile to send emails from it. And then whenever you want to come in and create a campaign, you can send emails from your own personal profile. So then email filters as well. You can put email filters on if you don't want .gov or anything. And when to scrape data. So You can do this while processing the campaign, so while it's actually running, or you can do it while running the search. And I think this is most important for a bunch of people who actually do cold email is how to find the email. So, you know, most times softwares they would just scrape data and they'll probably give you, outdated emails that aren't verified. But with this software, which is why it's so amazing, you could actually get in you can integrate Hunter.io with this software so you can scrape emails from the website and get emails from Hunter. And you could basically, as you see right here, have them verify the email address using Hunter API key. So right now we're just gonna keep it on webs. Well, actually, we could scrape email from. We could do both, or you can just use Hunter.io for everything. And let's just say I'm gonna only send emails to verified email addresses. And as you say, how to contact lead, as you can see, how to contact leads, you can send an email and fill out a contact us form. You can send an email when the form is not submitted. You can send an email only, do not fill out contact us form, or you can submit contact form only. I usually just do send email and fill out contact us form, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to do send email only. And additional options, you could send it to Zapier, so you could basically uh, create a Zap to where the software will search and get leads for you, and you could integrate Zapier to where once it's done searching the leads, you can have it zap back to Zapier and then export into a list. You can also run immediately after search, or you could remove your can spam full address, or you could remove an unsubscribe link as well. That really depends on you. So right now I'm just going to remove unsubscribe link, remove the can spam full address, and if you add multiple keywords or locations, you're going to get this message. You just click continue. And I actually don't know how long this might actually take. It might take like a couple of minutes. And I'm not going to just sit here and wait for it to basically get back. So I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to come back later. Hey guys, it finally finished. It probably took longer because Hunter.io was verifying the email addresses, but as you can see, we got 70 businesses back. JSL marketing, you get the name, address, location, website, phone number, email, social links, pixels. This is going to be really powerful for Facebook agencies or marketing agencies in general, because you can actually go in here and see, they have a Facebook pixel installed. They have a Google pixel installed, Google AdWords pixel. What else? They have SSL enabled, 5-star rating, form status. And then you can actually delete the people you don't want. So for example, let's just delete this guy. So that's going to be deleted from the campaign. Yeah, like it just was. So now we have 69 people. Then at the end, we have 180 emails that we found. So there were 70 businesses, but there's 180 emails that Hunter found and that we scraped for using the software. So all you do after that is just click select all, or you can only select certain people so you could check them off or whatever. And then you just click, you can export it. So we can export it right now. You get website design results, or you can send 180 emails only. So let's just click it just for the sake of it. And you're going to see it's processing and it's going to start sending out emails. And I forgot to go over this, but actually inside of the campaign, you can actually put a delay between each email. So for example, I use a 2-minute delay between emails. So you can actually do that inside of the campaigns, which is actually powerful. I'm going to stop this because I don't want to send the email out at the moment. I already did one earlier today. So you can actually stop your campaigns midway and it's going to stop basically. But that's basically it. It's pretty simple. You can go to campaign logs. You can go to email tracking. For example, you go to email tracking, you can see how many people clicked or opened not how many people clicked. You can see how many people opened your email, see how many people actually clicked your links if you have a link in it. I prefer not to use link. I prefer to just start a conversation first and then send a link from your own email, from your send a personal email after they do reply. But if you do send a link, for example, like a link to a case study or a link to an offer you have going or whatever, you can actually see how many people click the link in email tracking. Once again, there's training in the inside. If you need help, you can also test emails. When you actually write your emails, you can actually send a test email to your own personal email. So, like I said, and this software is it's super powerful because most softwares you have to use two or three together to get what the software offers. For example, D7 Lead Finder, it really only offers scraping the data for certain keywords and websites and all that type of stuff. So you may have to scrape data from D7 Lead Finder, but you also have to go back to Woodpecker to fulfill the process of cold emailing. Or some people, they use I don't know why they do it, but they use Mailchimp. They'll upload a list to Mailchimp and they'll send from Mailchimp. So, but you have to basically combine two or three different softwares to do what this one software is doing. You're basically able to scrape data, create campaigns whenever you want. What else? And then you can also automate and send out cold emails. You can create as many follow-ups as you want, as far as I'm concerned. And it's just way more powerful. And then you can always contact support and everything. So I just prefer Robo Contact. I believe it's one of the best softwares out there for cold emailing or cold prospecting because it literally allows you to generate leads and automate your sales process and prospecting. So if you go down below, you could click the link. There's a 14-day trial. Yeah, there's a 14-day free trial that I'm currently promoting as well because I'm a partner with the software owner, and there's a 14-day trial plus if you do sign up and continue using the software, you get access to any bonuses I create. For example, like a chatbot course that I'm working on creating, and a cold email course, like the things that get the most responses from me for cold email. So click the link below. You get a 14-day trial plus any bonuses that I do offer as well. And then after that, it's $47 a month. You're actually saving money because you don't have to combine two or three different softwares to send out cold emails and cold prospect and everything. Usually you combine two or three different softwares and it'll come up to like 60 or 70 or even $80. On here, you get it all in one software and you're only spending $47 a month after the trial. So I really recommend it. If you want to sign up, go sign up below. If not, that's cool. But you can also subscribe to my channel for any more videos I do, any more value videos that's going to give you value. And that's basically it. So I hope to see you on the inside. Thanks.